अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम B.ed फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर कोर्स कोड 8604 के क्विज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। लास्ट टाइम किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आए थे और ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव है, बहुत हेल्पफुल है। आपने इस वीडियो को फुल देखना है और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को अपने माइंड में रखना है। इंशाल्लाह आपके भी 20/20 आएंगे। A score which indicates the student relative position in a group is called dash. Correct option C, standard score. The statement of what students will obtain through instruction of certain content is called dash. Correct option C, learning objectives. The intent result of instrument are called correct option B, assessment. Detailed information of candidate required in dash. Correct option A, depth interview. Pre-testing is used to determine the dash. Correct option D, all of above. Sampling is advantages has it dash. Correct option C, both A and B. A report or account is an correct option A, informational work. The collection of memories and personal commentaries of a past incident is called correct option A, oral history. Report is often used to display the result of correct option D, all of these. Dash is describe the present state of affairs as it exists without having any control over variables. Correct option B, descriptive research. Report is often used to display the result of correct option D, all of these. Dash describe the present state of affairs as it exists without having any control over variable. Correct option B, descriptive research. Which of the following is not a strength of experimental study? Correct option D, narrow definition of concept. Questions, their sequence and their wording are fixed in correct option A, unstructured interview. Non-directive depth interview is also called dash. Correct option A, unguided interview. Which is the method of determining the authenticity of data? Correct option A, external criticism. The main purpose of research in education is to dash. Correct option D, have the candidate become an eminent educationist. Dash may provide the investigator unique situation that can be used to test hypothesis. Correct option B, case study. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.